Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the Antutu benchmark and the Geek benchmark test versus the Realme X2 Pro device and the OnePlus 7 Pro device. So both the phones comes with a Snapdragon 855, but the X2 Pro has the 855 Plus processor, so slightly upgrade when compared with the OnePlus 7 Pro's processor. So let me show you exactly what specifications of the phone and how much RAM it is. So in the Realme X2 Pro, you can see the 8 GB of RAM, and whereas the OnePlus 7 Pro has a 12 GB of RAM and Snapdragon 855 and Snapdragon 855 Plus. So here I got the Antutu benchmark test ready in the both the phones, and let me first show you the Antutu benchmark score in both the phones. So if you're interested to watch the more videos, check the links in description guys for the playlist of both the videos. So you can find plenty of videos on both the phones. So you can see friends side by side, if you just take a look at this score here. So there's slightly improvement in the X2 Pro device, but that's not the major improvement when it comes to the normal processor. So overall guys, in terms of the processor performance, both the phones are very good, and 855 Plus is slightly advantage, but this should not be the reason of buying the device. So as you can see, both the Antutu versions are of same Antutu benchmark versions, so there is nothing wrong or nothing difference in both the phones. And now let me show you the another Geek benchmark 5 application, so which I did in both the phones. So as you can see friends, in terms of the Geek benchmark, the OnePlus 7 Pro got highest, so slightly improvement in terms of the single core and even in the multi-core as well. You can see the difference between both the phones. So overall friends, in terms of the performance, both the phones are pretty good, and there is not much difference in terms of the performance if you ask me really. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel friends. I will be posting a lot of interesting videos and a lot of comparison reviews in the future as well. So do not forget to check the playlist in the description, so where you can find plenty of videos which I did both the videos comparison side by side. So see you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.